Hello and welcome to today's Battle of the Day, where we give you an opportunity to do at least one thing today in order to help advance your constitutional right to keep and bear arms. Now, normally what we ask you to do is relating to legislation, either state legislation, local, or even at the federal level. But we also know that you have to fight on multiple fronts. And so today we're going to be talking about a court case. That's right, the judiciary. Specifically, a case in which FPC has filed a friend of the court brief for one of our sister organizations, the Calguns Foundation, dealing with Silvester v. Becerra, formerly Silvester v. Harris. Now, to get this case down into a nutshell, it deals with the issue of why does one have to have a 10-day cooling off period when they already have a registered firearm. They already own a registered firearm here in the state of California. It's already registered, so you know I already got a gun or more. Or if you have a concealed carry permit or a certificate of eligibility. If you have the ability to carry a firearm when purchasing a firearm, why do you have to wait 10 days in order to get that firearm? Once again, after getting your background check. There was a lot of evidence that was presented, including the fact that most background checks happen like that quick. They're completed almost that quick, meaning that there really is not a reason relating to the background check. It's just a simple cooling off period. A lot of evidence was presented at the district court level. It was looked at, and they determined that, well, hey, they ruled in our favor, right? They said, yeah, it makes absolutely no sense. The state then appealed it to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. A 3-judge panel took a look at that evidence and decided to toss it out. They said, nah, we don't need evidence. We're going to substitute our own opinion, and whatever fact or information out there that we can pull together that support that opinion, and we're going to substitute our opinion and our substitute facts for the actual facts of the case, and we're going to rule against you or against us. We requested that it go en banc, meaning we get a full panel. We didn't get that. So now we're asking the Supreme Court to hear this case. And it's important for a few reasons. Not just about it's not just about at this point the 10-day waiting period. It's about a recognition that that the courts, in particular in this case the Ninth Circuit, is going out of their way to substitute legal precedent, to the whole legal process and the way in which things are supposed to be done. They're substituting their own judgment for the rule of law. And it's important that the Supreme Court not only stand up for our right to be able to bear arms and not to have our rights be delayed unnecessarily, but also that the legal process be fair and not just set aside because they want to treat the Second Amendment like a second-class right. So we had a number of folks who submitted friend of the court briefs, including the Crime Prevention Research Center, Firearms Policy Foundation, the Madison Society Foundation, and Gun Owners of California, as well as even the Cato Institute chimed in for us. So here's today's Battle of the Day. I want you to follow the link that is here, or you can just go to calgunsfoundation.org/Silvester. Follow the link. Take a few minutes and read some of the documents. Read up on this case. Find out about it. Really take a little bit of time and educate yourselves. I'm always talking about how we need to educate. The other side is ignorant on this stuff. We need to make sure that we're not. We need to make sure that we're informed. And then I also want to encourage you, support these court cases. Support them by sharing this information as well as donating. Because trust me, lawyers ain't cheap. And we get our lawyers discounted. And they give us a great rate, but they're still not free. These court cases are not free. And fighting these things, like I said, has been since 2011. That's how long we've been fighting this particular case. So we need your help. We need you to get educated on this issue, and we need you to, if possible, help support us with a financial contribution or support the Calguns Foundation. So anyway, that's today's Battle of the Day. I appreciate you taking your time off during the weekend to tune in. You guys have fun, stay safe, and stay free.
If you like our videos, follow, subscribe, like, and share.